Hello. So I have written up how I'm going to do the short story workshop and the advanced workshop, but I'm also doing a video to explain it. So with the short story workshop, each session will focus on a particular aspect of story writing in the first half of the class, and then we'll do a workshop in the second half. And we'll cover the first session will cover story structure, the second one will cover character and dialogue, the third will cover world building, 4 will cover plotting and pacing, 5 will cover revising and editing, 6 will cover submitting stories and career basics, and 7 will be our catch up where we'll get everything covered that we didn't the first time. You will be expected to submit in workshop at least one story over the course of the workshop. I will record the sessions. If you have to come in late, if you have to miss a session, those will be available for you. And there will also be a dedicated Discord channel for discussion outside of class. And so the dates are starting September 15th. It's going to be Wednesdays, 7 to 9:30 p.m. Pacific time. So Wednesday evenings is when the short story workshop will be happening. With the advanced workshop, this is intended for people who've had the short story workshop or something comparable, or who already have some publications under their belts. You're supposed to come with a working knowledge of fiction basics, so we don't have to talk about, first person versus third person. What are they? This is a journeyman level class, and it will be at least partially driven by the students and what questions you have. And so each week I'll have a particular talking point, but I'm going to ask you, the students, for questions about it beforehand, and we'll focus on that. And then we'll also be doing the workshop, and here students are expected to workshop 2 stories over the course of the session. All right. If you want to apply for a space in the story workshop, just submit 1,000 words of fiction. It doesn't have to be complete, and a 1 or 2 250 to 500 word statement about where you currently are as a writer and where you would like to be 2 to 3 years down the line. If you're applying for the advanced workshop, again, 1,000 words of fiction. It doesn't have to be complete. I'd like to know what classes you've taken already, and 250 to 500 word statement regarding your qualifications and what you'd like to work on in the workshop. There are scholarships in both workshops. If you're applying for a scholarship in either one, please say so and include a brief statement about why the class would be useful to you. The story workshop is limited to 15 students. The advanced workshop is limited to 12. So if you're curious about that, I'm happy to answer questions. I'm extending the deadline till the end of August if you want to apply. All right, there's that news.